I'm starting 6 more YouTube channels, and here's the exact method that I'm going to be using to get these channels to successfully grow. And if you're wondering, I am starting all these channels from scratch. Lately I've been a huge fan of starting channels from scratch instead of pre-monetized. Pre-monetized channels, they just run into way too many issues, and I feel very confident of what I know to kind of grow channels, that I can get a channel starting from zero and actually grow it to become monetized. The first step is choosing the right niche. I'm going to be choosing the right niches, and so within the YouTube Success System, which is my online community, I've actually went and already chose the niches and revealed them in last week's, I think, group call recording. So I won't be revealing because I do feel like a lot of people are just going to copy the niches. However, for my students or our community, you can see which niches I've chosen within the last group call. Either that or just simply ask me. When it comes to choosing the right niche, what's right for me may not be right for you. And this really depends on what you know better than others. So these niches that I'm choosing, I'm not saying I'm an absolute expert at them, but what I am saying is that I probably know a bit about them more than the average person. So with niche number 1, for example, if I were to rate myself from a 1 to 10 scale on how well I know that niche, I know that niche at probably like a 6 or a 7. So when thinking about what niche you're going into specifically, think about what do you know better than others, because that gives you a leverage point. And as cliche as it sounds, think about what your passions are. Your passions are probably going to make good ideas for niches. So when it comes to choosing the right niche, think about what your passions are, because if you're passionate about that niche, more than likely there's other people who are also passionate about that niche. And I go over choosing the right niche has been a very, very common discussion or common question that I've been getting. So I went ahead and also included a update to choosing the right niche within the YouTube Success System. But essentially what it comes down to is think about what you know better than others, and also think about what your passions are, because if you're passionate about it, other people are probably passionate about it as well. And with that passion, it comes down to you can create very good titles and thumbnails to just emotionally trigger people. So that is the first step, choosing the right niche. Now, as for the second step, understanding what makes a good topic within this model of YouTube. Gone are the days where people can just make a video topic on top 10 things you didn't know about LeBron James or top 10 things you didn't know about Johnny Depp. Those are very average topics. What makes a good topic on YouTube, it's one party versus another. So lately what's been working is Johnny Depp versus Amber Heard, or think about Will Smith versus Chris Rock. Those are in the celebrity niche, but in a lot of other niches, there are ways to kind of do a versus type topic. Let's pretend fishing, for example. I'm pretty sure in the fishing niche, I don't know fishing that well, but I'm pretty sure in the fishing niche, there's gotta be like some type of verses that you can think of, such as man versus fish or fisherman versus fisherman. And when it comes down to one party versus another party, that essentially sparks drama, and drama works extremely well with this model of YouTube. And with drama can occur in any niche. It just requires us to be more creative about it. Usually when people think of drama, they're always thinking about celebrity gossip drama, and that's a very common one. That's one that there's a lot of room for people to grow in. But even so, with drama can occur in a lot of different niches. It's not just only solely dedicated. Drama doesn't only occur in celebrities. It occurs in all these other niches that you and I are passionate about, that we just have to find and make videos on. So I talk with a lot of individuals regarding what new niches they're in, and I kid you not, it's very cool to see what other niches other creative individuals have started, because they think outside of the box. Now, the third step is capitalizing on trending. So I use sources such as YouTube itself, Google News, Instagram feed. So if you're really interested or passionate about a niche, chances are you probably follow similar Instagram accounts that are within that niche as well. And I've found that Instagram feeds are a great source for coming up with very good topics. And then lastly, Feedly. So Feedly is like a blog/website curator in which you input all these websites and blogs, and it feeds you topics based on its popularity, based on how many times it's been shared. Feedly has been a very good source for me in finding viral topics. But as far as capitalizing on trending is what I'm going to be going after. The thing that people often think is that trends die. So just because something is trending, I don't force my team to create the video within 48 hours. That would be ideal, but trending, I have a video that I posted 2 years ago that was quote unquote trending, and it's still getting views today. It's on track to, I think, break 12 million views. But that just goes to show that trends, yes, they eventually die, but it's more important to actually capitalize on the trend now and then worry about the trend dying later on. As far as trending goes, ideally you want to get it down out fast. Me personally, my team struggles to get videos out fast. So even if something occurs today and it takes my team 5 to 10 business days to create the video, that's perfectly fine with me. I will still post on the video. Think about the Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial. People would have thought that trend would have died over a month ago, but it's still happening now. So speaking of creating videos though, the fourth rule that I'm following, or the fourth step in this method, is focusing on the 80-20 rule. And what this means is that 80% of the quality comes from 20% of the efforts. I do notice sometimes, for example, in my community, in the YouTube success system, some individuals will spend a lot of time worrying about the voiceover, or worrying about the video edit. And I'm going to be going over this later on in the video as well, because I have very important things to say on that matter. But think about a quality video. 80% quality just comes from 20% of the efforts. It's very rare that I ask my team to redo a video because of, I didn't like the way that you pronounce this individual's name, or I didn't like how you edited this video, or I didn't like how you didn't show typography here. I don't spend any time doing that because I really don't think that's going to make or break the video. Focus on the 80-20 rule. I'm not saying make bad videos, but what I am saying is just produce quality videos. 80% quality is all you need to get videos to go viral. Videos that I thought were mediocre, thumbnails, titles that I thought were mediocre, ended up going extremely viral. And this is from my experience of posting thousands of videos online. But it just goes to show that my opinion when it comes to this model of YouTube, when it comes to editing videos or creating good quality content, my opinion isn't what matters. What matters ultimately is the viewers on YouTube. So 80% of the quality comes to 20% of the efforts. Don't waste your time just trying to make a video absolutely perfect. Just churn those videos out at a good enough quality. Now, the last step is title and thumbnails. This is what I'm going to be focusing my personal time in. So when we think about videos on YouTube, think about why some videos perform better than others. Is it because of the video edit? Is my video going viral because my video was edited better than yours? It most likely is not. Your video edit, I'm pretty sure, is good, but just because your video is edited well, it doesn't mean that it's going to perform better. So it's not because of the video edit. Is it because of the topic idea? Okay, so if I make a video on the Johnny Depp Amber Heard trial and it goes viral, and you make a video on the Johnny Depp and Amber Heard trial, is it because of the topic idea? Is it because how is it because of the topic idea is what I should be asking. Because if we're both making videos on the same topic idea, why does one perform better than the other? If I had to say the majority aspect of what makes one video perform better than the others, it's because of the title and thumbnail. When you think about why, if I have a topic idea and you have the same exact topic idea, let's say your topic idea worked better than mine when it's essentially the same topic, it's because of the title and thumbnail. So if you're spending a lot of time trying to improve your video edits, improve your typography, guide your voiceovers, guide your script writers, I really think you should be focusing a lot more time on the title and thumbnail. Because if we think about all the aspects of a YouTube video, why does one video perform better than others? And again, I'm not saying produce bad quality videos, but what I am saying is that I think out of all those aspects, the title and the thumbnail is going to be absolutely crucial as to why two of the same topic ideas will have different performances when it ultimately gets posted on YouTube. So the title and thumbnail is absolutely key, and that's where I extremely spend a lot of time on, and I do think I specialize in as well. Being creative with the title, being creative with the thumbnail, it'll be absolutely key in helping me grow these 6 channels. But if you're looking for more ways to grow on YouTube, do watch this video next because it'll help you grow on YouTube.